Hey guys, I'm Chelsea from She Builds Bro, and today we're installing Stabiwood wood plastic composite fencing. Stabiwood panels are 90% recycled and can also be recycled back into wood plastic composite another 8 times. The hollow core provides a 30% noise reduction, making it a great choice when you have pets or kids. Stabiwood fencing panels are incredibly easy to install. Once the posts are concreted in, the composite panels are cut to length using a drop saw with a composite blade installed, then slotted between the 2 posts and resting on the bottom horizontal bar. Each panel has a tongue and groove type fitment to lock them into place and offer a seamless look. Once the last panel is installed, the top rail will need to be cut to length before being slotted into each post, resting on top of the last panel. L clips are then used to secure the top rail into place. The plastic post caps give the Stabiwood fence that finishing touch. They can easily be slotted into the tops of the posts, and if they're a little bit difficult, a rubber mallet can be used to hit them down. The final results look incredible and really complement the cladding on the outside of the house. We love how simple but effective the Stabiwood plastic composite fencing looks, and we highly recommend it for an option for anyone looking for a new unique fencing option.